In this video, we are going to know about pharmaceutical solution. What is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture prepared by dissolving a solid, liquid or gas in another liquid and represents a group of preparation in which the molecules of solute substances are dispersed among those of the solvent. Solution dosage form include solution for internal use and solution for external use. Solution for internal uses dosage form are syrups, elixir, aromatic water, etc. Solution for external uses dosage form are lotion, liniments, etc. Syrups. Syrups are viscous, sweet concentrated solution of sugar such as sucrose in water or other aqueous liquid. Syrups are used for formulating antibiotics, antihistamine, vitamins, etc. Elixir. Elixir are clear, pleasantly flavored oral liquids containing one or more active ingredients dissolved in a vehicle that usually contains a high proportion of sucrose or suitable polyhydric alcohols or alcohols. Aromatic water. Aromatic water, also called medicated water. Aromatic waters are clear saturated aqueous solution of volatile oils or other aromatic substances. Lotion. Lotions are liquid or semi-liquid preparations which are applied to unbroken skin without friction. Liniments. Liniments are liquid or semi-liquid preparations which are applied to unbroken skin by friction. Advantages of solution. Rapid absorption. The drug is more rapidly available for absorption from liquid dosage forms as compared to solids. Ease of swallow. Liquids are easier to swallow than tablets or capsules and are therefore especially suitable for children and the elderly. Dose adjustment. The doses of drugs can be easily adjusted according to the need of the patient. Reduction of gastric irritation. Gastric irritation due to certain drugs like aspirin and potassium chloride when administered as a solid dosage form is avoided or reduced on administration as a solution. Cost. Liquid dosage forms are more economical to produce than solid dosage forms. Distribution of drugs. Distribution of drugs in liquid dosage form is better than solid dosage forms. Large dose. Drugs with large dose can be easily administered as liquid dosage form. Disadvantages of solution. Stability problem. Drugs are usually less stable in liquid dosage forms as compared to solid dosage forms like tablets and capsules. Enhances the growth of microorganisms. Liquid, especially aqueous preparations, are susceptible to microbial contamination. Difficult to mask unpleasant taste. Masking the unpleasant taste of a drug in solution is more difficult than when the drug is in a solid dosage form. Classification of solution. Solutions are classified in various ways. These are depending upon the stage of solute and solvent, depending on saturation, depending on the method of preparation, depending on the solvent used, depending upon the stage of solute and solvent. It is 9 types: gas in gas, liquid in gas, solid in gas, gas in liquid, liquid in liquid, solid in liquid, gas in solid, liquid in solid, and solid in solid. Depending on saturation, it is 3 types: saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solution. Saturated solution. Solution containing maximum amount of solute at a particular temperature and pressure and the homogeneity is disturbed by further addition of solute is called saturated solution. Unsaturated solution. The solution that contains less amount of solute than in the saturated solution at the same temperature and pressure and further addition of solute is possible is called unsaturated solution. Supersaturated solution. The solution that contains more amount of solute than saturated solution due to special reagents at a particular temperature and pressure is called supersaturated solution. Depending on the method of preparation. It is 2 types: simple solution and compound solution. Simple solution. The solution which is formed by dissolving of only one active ingredient in the solvent is called simple solution. Compound solution. When more than one ingredients are dissolved in the solvent, the preparation is called compound solution. Depending on the solvent used. It is two types, aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. The solution in where water is used as a solvent are referred to as aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. The solution having vehicle other than water is called non-aqueous solution. Formulation of solution. The following factors must be considered during the formulation of an acidic or basic drug. The solubility of ionized and non-ionized forms of the drugs. The chemical stability of the drugs. The therapeutic efficacy of the drug. That's all. Thanks for watching.